Oh, there's my favorite bird on the wire. Oh, he just flew down. Did you guys see him? I hope I can get him in the video. It was a brown throated motmot, which is a very, very special bird here in the Yucatan. He has a tail that has kind of like an arrow, and that tail he wiggles. I guess to attract other birds or animals or insects, I'm not sure. But it is also the national bird of El Salvador. It's the same bird, but it's the national bird of El Salvador, and it's just a very special bird here in the Mayan culture.